Hi, I'm Lynette, aka London Makeup Artistry, and welcome to my channel. Today I am going to be showing you some swatches of some lipsticks I recently picked up from ColourPop and from MAC. So if you like these types of videos, go ahead and hit that like button and consider subscribing because I do these types of videos a lot here on my channel every Saturday. Before we get into that, you may have already seen 2 or 3 videos of me wearing the same outfit and the same hair and the same makeup, and that's because I am filming a few videos today. Girls gotta do what a girl's gotta do because it's hard out here in these YouTube streets, okay? Alright, so recently Macy's had a 15% off sale, probably a few weeks ago now, and I went on ahead and picked up 2 of their Illusion lip glosses. I'll have the full name of the lip glosses in the description box below. Now, I had one of these, the one that I'm wearing right now, I had on my list to pick up from IMATS. Prior to going to IMATS, I went to Macy's and I swatched probably this whole collection of lipsticks, and I only picked one to buy at IMATS, which was this one, Crowned. And when I went, no, this is not Crowned, this is Let's Rock. When I went to IMATS, they didn't have any of the lip glosses there, so I didn't get any. And then a few weeks ago, Macy's was having a sale and I saw that they were having 15% off of makeup. So I went on ahead and actually I bought like 5 or 6 of these. All but 2 of them went back to Macy's. So these are the 2 I kept, and they are Pink Trip. And I don't know if you can see the shimmer that is in this lip gloss. Gorgeous. And look at the packaging. Like, the top is like this pewter chrome rosy colored, and then you can see the lip gloss in the tube. And this one is called Pink Trip, and it is gorgeous. And I am going to show you a swatch. It's like, well, it's not like, it's purple, shimmery purple lip gloss. That is it right there. Very, very pretty. And then there is the one I am wearing today, which I know doesn't really go with my outfit or with my makeup today, but this one is so stunning. You had to see it in action, so that's why I put it on. Look at that. Can you see that? Can you see all the gorgeousness that's going on right here? I'm going to show you a swatch of this one as well. This one is like an orange gold mixture. It's definitely a duochrome. That is it right there. Look at that. And I'm wearing it today with my chestnut lip liner. So these are beautiful. I have worn this one. I'm wearing this one today, and I've worn it before. I wore it to work, and it's just gorgeous. It's gorgeous. I have yet to wear this one, but they are beautiful. Now, the only thing that I don't like about them is that they have this menthol cooling, tingling effect to them, which I don't like. It reminds me of the Buxom plumping lip glosses. I mistakenly bought a Buxom lip gloss not knowing it was a plumping lip gloss, and once that tingling slash burning sensation got on my lips, I promptly returned that to Sephora. And these have that similar tingling effect, which I really don't care for, but I care for this color. Like, oh my God, do I care for it? So I'm willing to put up with it. I was afraid after feeling that tingling sensation that my lips were gonna blow up or fall off, but that hasn't happened yet. So I'm going to continue to rock with Let's Rock, and I'm gonna rock this one too. I think it's gonna be beautiful. I think they'll both be beautiful for spring and summer, and this one will also be gorgeous for the fall. So loving that. And then ColourPop recently released their Lux lipsticks in a matte formula, and I went on ahead and purchased some of them. Now, these aren't all matte. Some of them are the creamy lipsticks, and I think a couple of them are the matte. And this is what the box looks like. Now, the box is different. I mean, they look the same. They all say Lux on them in the like cream packaging with the bronzy lettering on it, which is really attractive. But then some of them are plain, and then some of them have this colored sticker letting you know what color is in the box. So I don't know if the one with the color on it is from the new collection or not. And then I got one that came in this packaging, and I'm pretty sure that ColourPop had a collection. I don't know if it was called the Butterfly collection, or they had some collection with this packaging. So I guess one of these lipsticks is from that collection. I don't really know, but I'm going to swatch them for you. Now, this is the first time I have purchased or tried any of these new Lux Bullet lipsticks. I have purchased their lippy sticks in the past, which I like actually. And when they came out with these, I was really interested in trying them because I still love lipsticks and I still love bullet lipsticks. So I wanted to try them. These are $7. The MAC lip glosses are I think they're $21 now that I think about it. I thought they were $17, but I think they may be $21. Anyway, they're much more expensive. These are only $7. And this is the packaging, which is really pretty for a $7 affordable lipstick. The packaging is very pretty. And then on the bottom, which I appreciate, they have a sticker with the name and the color of the lipstick on it. So if you were to store these, you could store them upside down, and then you would be able to see the sticker and know what color it is before you picked it up, and without having to pick it up and open it to see. So I appreciate that. These are heavy too. They're rather weighty, which I was not expecting, especially from a $7 lipstick. So they've got a nice weight on them. They might actually be a little too heavy actually. But very nice. So I'm going to swatch some for you. I've only worn one of them. So I can't really say what they're like just yet. Now this one has some brown on it from my chestnut lip liner. But this one is in the color Big Break. Some of these I haven't even swatched yet, so I'll be swatching them for the first time with you. So this is Big Break, and as you can see, it's a nice like nudie peachy pink lipstick. This one, it's very opaque. The color is very rich. It's very creamy. This is one of the Lux creamy ones. Oh no, I'm sorry. This is a matte. This is one of the matte ones, the new matte lipsticks. It's very opaque, very still creamy to be matte. It's very creamy, very thick. This one I've swatched, you know, I tried it on my lips. I haven't actually worn it anywhere, but I did try it just to see the color, and I will definitely have to wear this with a lip liner, maybe my MAC Chestnut, maybe my MAC Cork. I might even have to throw a gloss on top of it because it might be a little too much to wear, this color to wear on my skin tone alone. So that is Big Break. And next up is Sitting Pretty. And this is one that I have not swatched. And you'll see I bought some similar colors. And this one is sort of a fuchsia, pink fuchsia color, and this is one of the Luster, the creamy lipsticks. So that's it right there. And next up is Unravelled, and this is the one that came in this box, so I guess it's part of that butterfly or something collection. And this is it right here. This is the only one that I have actually worn. Like, I wore it to work for a full day, and the color is really pretty, really pretty. And again, very, very creamy, and it's not unlike the one I just swatched before it. Actually, they're very similar. This is Unravelled right here. And as you can see, it's that pinky fuchsia shade as well. These two colors are very similar. It's very, very pretty. It's very creamy and just and thick. I wore it during the day, and it wore very well. But by the end of the day, I reapplied it once without any problems. By the end of the day, though, when I went to take it off, it looked like my lips. I could see every line in my lip as if I were wearing a liquid lipstick, a matte liquid lipstick, which was very interesting and unexpected. So, you know, I'm not sure yet how I feel about them. Again, I only wore the one for one day. This one is Hello Stranger. And it's another one of the creamy ones. I haven't swatched this one before. This is very pretty. This is the kind of color that's right up my alley. You know how you keep buying the same colors over and over again? Well, this is one of those colors that I keep buying over and over again. It is this rich wine, Merlot wine color, which I love so much, especially in the winter. This is Sashay, and it is a matte. And as you'll see, it is very similar to the one I just swatched. But this is in the matte form. I told you I like to rebuy the same colors, right? Well, I wasn't lying to you, because I sure did. This is it right here, and it's, again, like I said, it's matte, very creamy, and very similar to that last one. Very pretty. And then last but not least, I bought this one called Aeronaut, which is a black. And I've been wanting a black lipstick. I have no idea why. I don't know why. And black and dark, really, really dark colors don't look good on me. But, you know, that just doesn't seem to stop me. Doesn't seem to stop me. And this is one of the creamy ones. And it is indeed black. There it is right there. So let me know in the comments below if you've tried any of these ColourPop lipsticks or these MAC Illusion lip glosses. I would love to know what you think of them. If you like this video, go ahead and hit that like button and consider subscribing, because I do these types of videos here on my channel every Saturday, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss an upload. I want to thank you for joining me today. I hope to see you again next week. Until then, bye-bye.